there are colleges which will take a upward path as they go up. See, colleges have a life cycle and they have a life curve. So some colleges remain flat all the time, but there are colleges which can go up over a period of time. So you look at the investment the college has made and you look at the kind of brand name they are coming from, etc. देखो ऐसा है कि आजकल की दुनिया में 50 लोग को प्लेस करना वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से प्लेस हो जाता है. Right, so if I run a small management course of 3 months, I can place 20 people out of that myself, just out of my contacts, right? And get package of 8, 10, 12 lakhs on an average if I select good quality students, because recruiters are looking for sources where they can get people. And manpower, good quality manpower is at a premium these days because of so many organizations getting built right time. You would still want to go to the conventional colleges, just don't get swayed by placement statistics and all. But yes, in case it's a good college because these options are there. That's what I was telling you. The great part about B schools right now is that you've got so many options that even at 85, 90, 92, 94 percentile, which are not there 15 years ago. So you have to use that.